Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to add animation text in your Instagram story. So open up Instagram application and just go to post and go to story. Okay, now click on that. Now click on the text icon AA, and here you will be able to add any kind of text, right? So here you can see I'm just writing whatever I want, so you can just write whatever according to your needs. Okay, now just simply choose the style from all these you can see on the screen. Alright, so you can simply choose the style from here, and here you can see you can if you tap on that icon, you will be able to animate the text, and you will be able to change the color and all these settings. You can just adjust according to your needs, so it's everything is up to you. All right. So you can see it's animated text, so if you want to write anything else, any other things, so you can also do that. So that's all pretty much you can do. So now you can also click on tap on done, and you can simply post that story. Alright, so yep. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how you can do this. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.